Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to this month's Vanners collaboration. And the subject this month is what you take with you and what you definitely don't take with you and why. And this is a collaboration between a group of like-minded people. You'll see all their logos going past up there. And please do watch everybody's video in this collaboration. The links are all in the description down below to the playlist and to the individual videos. Well, this subject is well timed for us because in, well, a day's time we're off. So we are actively packing so we can tell you what we take, what we don't take. Why? I'm not quite sure, but we'll do our best. And this actually is timed to go out on my birthday. So one essential thing that Alan has to take is my Prezi. Not found it yet, but I know he's bought it. So I will make gentle hints to make sure it's in the packing. So on with the video. So what do we definitely take? Well, we definitely take glasses. We can't see a damn thing without all sorts of glasses, computer glasses, reading glasses, sunglasses. So yeah, glasses and medicines. Prescription medicines, all the sort of medicines I keep topped up on the van, like cold remedies and plasters and all that sort of thing. But what we don't take is food, because generally it takes us too long to get there from Guernsey. So our first stop before even getting to the van is a Tesco's or a big supermarket so we can stock up. Yeah, they do say, don't they, the old joke, when you get to our age it's all specs, drugs and sausage rolls. And it's very true. You can see behind me all of the ironing that's been done, ready to pack. I'm just about to get the bags out to pack all our clothes, and that's one of the first steps that we take. But before even then, I'm a devil for lists. Come with me to my office. You can see I've got lists everywhere, but there's one particular list. I keep this on my computer. That's my basic list, the things I shouldn't forget and mustn't forget. Things like bedding and towels and clothes does help. Cameras, electronics, all those sorts of things. And then I inevitably end up scribbling all over it with extra things I think of to take. But those are the essentials, and that's how we don't forget them. Well, every last bit tucked away. Are these must-takes? Are they nice-to-takes? Are there things we absolutely shouldn't take? We'll tell you when we unpack. Well, unpacking a car will show you what were the essentials we've brought with us. And we'll see if we brought any of those things we shouldn't have done. I did leave my supboard at home in the end. Well, it's packed, well and truly packed. But it's not all come from home. Some of it's from the duty free, some of it's from Tesco's, and some of it falls into that category as to whether did we need it or didn't we. We'll see which one falls into which category. Let's get this show on the road. Get this out first. It's a pain in the neck. So I'm going to unload the lot. But this is my fridge stuff, so this is going straight in the van. Essential supplies. 3 cases from duty free for 60 quid. Well, just under actually, so. doesn't look like there's much left. There's another big bag of clothes there, Alan's drone and camera bag, but this little up has another compartment. Oh, let's see what we've got in here. We've got my computer. Now that's an essential. This one is an essential. Guernsey new potatoes. You can't come away in the summer without Guernsey new potatoes.
You mean you've been smuggling potatoes in?
I have been smuggling potatoes in, Alan. Sorry. Here's the Starlink. Told you it was right at the bottom. Well, give me a moment. I'll get the rest out. I think I probably need to put some of it away. Now, you see, I think this is all essentials. Even the 3 handbags.
You think?
5 weeks. I'm going to have different colours that I wear.
Yeah, but Shay, you load it just the same for 1 week.
Well, we did manage 5 weeks last time, and I'd only packed for 2, so...
Yeah.
Well, that's our take on this month's subject, and I don't suppose there'll be many of the other collaborators who list Guernsey new potatoes as an essential, but some of the other things will probably be quite common to the others as well. And please don't forget to watch everybody else. As I said, the link is down below in the description, both to the playlist and to the individual videos themselves. So, hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on our next video and on next month's Vanners collaboration. Cheers!